it's the big talking point right now, so there's no way we can't ask you about what's happening with valuations, IPO. Do you think they're being looked at in the right way?
Tamanna, I would ask you to call up all the mutual fund managers on your panel and say, explain to me some of the investments you are doing. Just explain to the people what you're doing. You can sit behind closed doors and write checks from your mutual fund which belong to the people, but they should be brought to your channel and said, okay, gentlemen, can you explain what you're doing here? And then which is the metrics you use to invest? Again, I say, share prices can go up and down. That's fine. It depends on market flows, number of other factors. But really, are you that dumb that you can't see through some of these companies? And if you're putting public money, someone in the government needs to wake up, or mutual fund industry should wake up. And I think I saw a very nice article by a gentleman in the mutual fund industry, the head, who said Indian investors are taking a project risk in these companies without knowing what the hell they're doing at this point of time. So having said that, I still think, yes, there is a future for these companies. The question is, if you pay these nutcase valuations, when do you make the returns? There are enough examples of nutcase valuations. Even good companies win bad valuations.
So Ajay, are you saying that the valuations you're currently seeing are nutcase?
You differ with that, Tamanna?
No, is it blanket or is it some? Is it all?
You tell me. You name one of them which makes sense to you economically in the horizon that we are talking about, in terms of profitability, in terms of market share, in terms of, maybe one or two stand out. I'm not saying everything is the same brush. One or two do stand out to being exceptional candidates for being investment. But by and large, paying this kind of money for a consumer-driven, cash loss-led model, we are not paying these valuations for AI-driven majors in the US, which are growing 30, 40, 50%.